Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome on your Android and navigating to iCloud. Sign in with the Apple ID tied to the iPhone. Make sure the iPhone is online, cellular, or Wi-Fi matters, because Find My requires a network connection to report location. Once signed in, tap Find iPhone and let the map load. This is the first actionable step that starts the device query. If prompted, bypass two-factor on another Apple device. Once the device list appears, you select the iPhone and wait for the map to center. That confirms communication and gives a location estimate. If it's nearby, tap play sound to hear the phone, and if it's missing in public, enable lost mode to display a contact message. This helps honest finders return it. If irretrievable and you must protect data, choose Erase iPhone. Remember that erasing prevents further tracking, so use it as a last resort. To finish, follow on-screen steps. If play sound locates it, retrieve it safely and confirm you can unlock it. If lost mode got a response from a finder, coordinate recovery. Once done, sign out of iCloud on the browser. If the phone was offline, enable Notify when found and wait for the alert. It will update when the device connects. Troubleshooting tip. If you can't sign in, verify the Apple ID and network connection, or contact the carrier to block service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.